Hey everybody, me and Lena, we're gonna be playing I Spy Simon. So let's go. Okay. Oh, I think I just found him. His little pom-pom and him. Simon smells. Simon smells. So Julie. Oh no, Simon! So we're gonna be practicing with Simon. We're gonna be showing Simon how to climb the ladders. Simon does not like ladders. Come on, Simon. Oh, come on, you can climb. Come on, go up to the next one. Come on, hurry up. He's doing it. Now, let's try it again. Can you do it on this one? Come on. Whoa. Okay, so there's my cat Kilo again from last video. You cutie, whoa! He's a teenager. He's so cute. Wow. Lollipop. Here's your cat Ernie again. Say hi. Hi, Ernie. You got it so big. So I'm going to be playing with my toys. And you're like, are you a grown-up? Except I'm not. And I'm taking videos because I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. And I'm only 9 years old, and I live in Stockton, and my state is California. Well, country, California. My state is Stockton. And our house number is 2015 by Monroe Elementary School. And we have a lot of things, so let's play. Nah. The floor is lava, actually. Wait, the floor is lava? Piece of hair. So, we can't clean the floor's lava, so let's see my kitty. Come on. Well, I'm not gonna play nothing, but I'm gonna show you my cat. Row. She's so wiggly and soft. Like, look at this. Come on, Row. Hi. Okay, we're gonna see her. Dun. I'm gonna play, but with just my sloth. See him? I didn't show you yet. But see him? He's my favorite sloth. No one else can steal him. So, I'm going to be playing Sloth Adventure. There's something that feels so cool but it's not supposed to be on here. Bubble of hot glue. Wow. Let's play. And this is a little couch that I made that I kind of broke right now. No. There's this part. It's so squishy. Well, not squishy. But okay, I'm gonna be making slime. I don't really know how to make slime, but I'm gonna see if I can try. You can always try. We have glue. We have Elmer glue. Okay. I'm just using purple Elmer's glue, but you don't have to use purple Elmer's glue. You might just need to use regular white Elmer's glue. Then a little bit of water. A little bit of water. Not too much. Just a little bit. And we just put the slime. Baby slime.
No, you're not. You're cleaning up this mess.
Yes.
Right now. Right now.
Yes.
You still haven't done those.
Because I don't have to Sharpie. It ran out. So I need to use a Sharpie only. It ran out.
This has to be put in the refrigerator.
Okay.
All you're doing is making more mess for me. Pick up your dishes. Go around the living room and pick up all the cups and stuff you got going on over there.
Okay.